It's jet ski season again, time to get back to it. Today we have a Gp1800. Client says he wants me to look at some of the hose clamps are looking a little rusty. He wants me to replace them. He doesn't like how there's some vertical slop in the steering. He's probably going to go with the Riva steering kit down the road. But for now he asked me to take a look at it. So we're going to give it the once over and make sure that everything looks good. First we're going to see if this thing even starts.
He didn't leave me the battery, so I had to break out my rescue pack. I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description if you want to check it out.
Misfire.
On modern four-strokes, when you get a misfire like that, it's usually because of the spark plugs. We'll swap those out in a minute, but first let's get to these rusty clamps. I had some of these nice stainless clamps on the truck. The sizes are right here. I'll put the links below. There's the bottom of the steering stem. By loosening this nut and pushing that arm up, I was able to take some of the slop out. If you have somebody that can give you a hand pushing down on the steering bars, that would be helpful. Why I recommend putting dielectric grease in here in this groove in the top so water doesn't get down there, because it will seep down there and then your spark plugs get all crusty like that. And when I'm installing these, I always put never sees on the threads. You don't need a lot, just enough. Little never sees here, dielectric grease around the boot to keep the water out. This never sees stuff's pretty nasty, so I came up with this. I take it, put it in a disposable toothbrush, and that way I can tuck the brush away and I'm not getting stuff all over me. Still end up getting a little on you. Seat the washer, and then it says give it 1/16 of a turn and then 2/3 of a turn. So 3/4. You just get a feel for it after a while, after a few thousand. This is a really nice machine with some sweet upgrades, and after I swapped out the spark plug, she ran great. And if you get some up and down play in the steering, you can access that arm from the front hatch. There's a lot of stuff in the way, but it's doable. And if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe and all that. The affiliate links down in the description, they help out a lot, and they don't cost you anything. I'm also working to build some helpful resources on my website. So if you want to check that out, it's at ccjetsports.com.